Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Well, student, it is like that. Today we are going to discuss the multiple organization examples. So the first example which I am going to discuss with you is the mustard plant. If you remember, we have learned about the multicellular organization. In the multicellular organization, the cells are interacting with each other. The cells are interfering with each other. So let's see the example, the mustard plant. The mustard plant's scientific name is the Brassica campestris. The Brassica campestris is used to sown in the winter, and at the end of the winter we are going to get its seeds. Basically, the Brassica campestris is divided into two organs. The one is known as the vegetative organ and the other one is known as the reproductive organs. Basically, the Brassica campestris is divided into two groups on the basics of their function. So, this is the plant named as the Brassica campestris. You can see here, student, the root, stem and the leaves. They are known as a vegetative part of the plant, because these parts of the plants are not involved in reproduction. You know very well the meaning of the reproduction. The meaning of reproduction is to reproduce the new offspring. This means that the new seeds for the new or the next generation. But these flowers are considered as the reproductive part. The reason is that the flower is involved in the reproduction. Hope so you understand. The next one which I want to discuss with you is the frog. The frog is also basically the example of the multicellular organization. The scientific name of the frog is Rana tigrina. The Rana tigrina is showing the multicellular. Is showing what? Multicellular organization is showed by the frog. This means that every cell of frog is performing a specific function. The frog body is split into the organ system, and each organ system is made up of specific related organs, and all organs are made up of specific tissues. You can say that the way which we have learned that the similar cells are making the tissues, and similar tissues are making the tissues which are performing the same function is making the organ, and the different organs joined together are making the organ system. So in the frog, in that case, we have learned that the body is made up of organ system, and each organ system consists of related organ, and all the organs are made up of specific tissues. Some example of tissues are the epithelial. Epithelial means skin cells. These epithelial tissues together are making the skin. Glandular. The glandular tissues joined together are making the glandular organs to secrete the secretion. Musculars. The muscular cells are making the muscles. The nervous tissues are making the nervous system. Some organs and organ systems are basically discussed here. So you can see here, if let me to explain you to student, this is the internal structure of the frog, and you can see that this one is basically the digestive system. This one is the whole digestive system of the frog, and this digestive system is made up of stomach, pancreas, spleen, small intestine, urinary, this is something else. Okay, now urinary system, these are the urinary bladders. Similarly, you can see student here, what is this? These are the kidneys of the frog. These are the lungs of the frog. And you can see here that these are the veins providing the blood and taking the blood. Mm-hmm. So it means that the cells are joining together and making the proper tissues, and these tissues are making the proper organs, and the organs, like you can see that this whole organ system, many organs are making the organ system. Hope so you understand that. If you have any query, you can discuss me. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.